Toyota is giving its full-size pickup another major update for 2027, bringing a fresh look, smarter technology, and an even stronger focus on customers who rely on their truck for work during the week and outdoor adventures on the weekend. Rather than completely reinventing the Tundra, Toyota has refined nearly every important area, creating a truck that feels more modern while staying true to the rugged personality that has helped it build a loyal following. One of the first things drivers will notice is the redesigned front end. The updated styling gives the Tundra a tougher appearance with a cleaner, more squared-off look that emphasizes strength and confidence. Toyota's designers wanted the truck to project capability the moment it comes into view, and the new front fascia does exactly that. A wider stance, sharper body lines, and a redesigned grille create a more purposeful appearance without making the truck feel overstyled. The front bumper also receives a cleaner layout that blends functionality with style. Integrated rectangular fog lights, updated grille patterns across the different trim levels, and a more refined lower bumper all contribute to a truck that looks ready for heavy towing, hauling, or exploring rough terrain. Each trim level also maintains its own personality, allowing buyers to choose a model that better fits their lifestyle. Perhaps the biggest addition for 2027 is the arrival of the new Trailhunter package. Designed for buyers who enjoy camping, overlanding, and traveling well beyond paved roads, this factory-built package adds serious off-road capability without requiring owners to install aftermarket equipment. Starting with the SR5 grade, Toyota equips the Trailhunter with Michelin LTX trail tires wrapped around distinctive bronze wheels, upgraded Old Man EMU suspension components, front recovery hooks, and additional protection underneath the truck. Toyota also includes several electronic systems that help drivers tackle more challenging terrain. Multi-terrain. Select allows the truck to adapt to different surfaces, while Crawl Control manages throttle and braking during slow-speed off-road driving. A locking rear differential further improves traction when loose rocks, sand, mud, or uneven ground become part of the journey. Together, these upgrades give the Trailhunter a genuine adventure-focused personality while keeping it practical enough for everyday driving. Technology also receives one of its biggest updates. Every 2027 Tundra now comes standard with a 14-inch touchscreen running Toyota's newest multimedia system. The interface has been redesigned with customizable widgets, faster processing, and an experience that feels much more like using a modern smartphone. Drivers can quickly access navigation, entertainment, vehicle information, and connected services through a cleaner and more responsive display. Voice control has also improved with quicker responses when using the Hey Toyota command. Thanks to faster connectivity through the latest network technology, cloud-based services respond more naturally, making it easier to adjust settings or request information while keeping both hands on the steering wheel. Another welcome addition is the standard built-in drive recorder. Using the truck's exterior cameras, the system can automatically save video clips when certain events occur or allow drivers to manually record moments they want to keep. Whether documenting an unexpected incident or capturing part of a memorable road trip, the feature adds another layer of convenience and security. Digital convenience continues with expanded digital key functionality. Owners can lock, unlock, and even start their truck directly from compatible smartphones, while also sharing digital access with family members or trusted friends. Toyota has also designed the system to continue working through near-field communication for a limited period, even if the phone battery becomes depleted, providing an extra measure of confidence when away from home. For customers choosing the iForce Max hybrid powertrain, Toyota includes a powerful 2.4 kilowatt onboard inverter that can supply electricity for tools, appliances, camping equipment, or recreational gear. This transforms the truck into a mobile power source that can be especially useful at construction sites, campsites, sporting events, or during emergencies. Visibility has also improved thanks to a brighter grille-mounted light bar and available premium auxiliary lighting. Recovery hooks remain available for drivers who regularly venture off pavement, combining practical functionality with an even more aggressive appearance. Toyota continues offering the Tundra in a wide range of trim levels, giving buyers choices that range from work-focused models to luxurious premium versions. Customers can also choose between the twin-turbocharged 6-cylinder gasoline engine or the available iForce Max hybrid system, depending on whether they prioritize traditional performance or maximum torque. Safety also moves forward with the introduction of Toyota Safety Sense 4.0. The newest version of the company's driver assistance technology features updated hardware and improved detection capability to better recognize vehicles, pedestrians, road signs, and lane markings. Features such as pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, full-speed dynamic radar, cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, lane tracing assist, road sign assist, automatic high beams, and proactive driving assist work together to make everyday driving more comfortable and secure. The 2027 Toyota Tundra may not be an all-new generation, but it represents a thoughtful evolution of Toyota's flagship pickup. By combining updated styling, smarter technology, expanded off-road capability, and meaningful convenience improvements, Toyota has created a truck that is better prepared for everything from daily commuting and towing to weekend adventures far beyond the pavement.